This is Mr. Ware at A1 Math, and today we're multiplying polynomial expressions, and our essential question is how do you multiply binomials and polynomials? First thing you want to look at is the steps for multiplying two polynomials, whether they be a binomial or a polynomial or what have you. First thing you want to do is multiply the first term of the binomial by each term of the polynomial. The second thing you want to do is multiply the second term of the binomial by each term of the same polynomial. And last, you want to simplify by combining like terms. Let's take a look at our first example. Okay, in this example, we're going to multiply these two binomials together. The first thing I did is went ahead and took the first term of my polynomial or binomial and multiplied it by every term in this polynomial. So I'm going to say x times x minus 7. And I'm going to add that with positive 3 times every term in that same polynomial. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and multiply those. Um, X times x will give me x squared. X times negative 7 will give me negative 7x. 3 times x will give me 3x. And 3 times negative 7 will give me negative 21. Okay, my last step is to combine like terms. So as you can see here, I've got a negative 7x plus 3x. We're going to combine these two together. So I got x squared minus 4x minus 21. And that's my final answer. Okay, let's take a look at another example. Okay, in this example, we have the binomial here, but it's multiplied against a trinomial. It has more terms, but the steps remain the same. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and multiply the x times every term in the polynomial, the second polynomial. That's going to give me x times x squared plus 3x plus 4. The next thing I'm going to do is take this 5 and multiply it times every term in the polynomial. So I have 5 times x squared plus 3x plus 4. Now I'm going to use distributive property and go ahead and distribute this x times this whole trinomial and 5 times this whole trinomial. When I work the x times x squared will get me x cubed. And remember, you're going to multiply the coefficients, but add the exponents. Then x times 3x is going to give me 3x squared. X times 4 is going to give me 4x. And that's this side here. Now on this side, I'm going to have 5 times x squared, which will be 5x squared. 5 times 3x, which will be 5 times 3, which is 15, times x, 15x. And then 5 times 4, which is 20. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and find my like terms. Okay, I have a 3x squared, which is like terms with 5x squared. And I have a 4x, which is like terms with the 15x. Okay. Um, when you combine the like terms, you'll have x cubed, 3x squared plus 5x squared is 8x squared, 4x plus 15x is 19x, and then I bring down to 20. And this will be my final answer. Okay, again, this particular lesson is multiplying binomials times polynomials. And again, thank you for checking out A1 Math.